beef steak and cut into strips, stir fried in oyster sauce. Oh, this one is so good. Love that. Check out the sauce and how thick it is. This is just amazing. You can actually cut different kinds of beef, but we use the ribeye steak. We cut it into strips here. All right, so let's start. Here's some bell peppers, some green chili, and Baguio beans or sitaw or string beans, oyster sauce, onion. Yep. The recipe will be in the description below. First, we start with the beef strips. About 4 spoons of oyster sauce or soy sauce. Sorry. You can use 2 spoons of dark soy sauce and 2 spoons of light soy sauce, but to be general for everyone, so everyone can try this, we just use 4 spoons of regular soy sauce and about 2 spoons of oyster sauce. It is important to marinate the beef first, at least 30 minutes before cooking it, so that the taste is gonna be so good. Yes, you mix it well. Now here, there's about 2 spoons of rice wine. You can use vinegar if you'd like, but rice wine is also good. Yes, mix it well. Once it's fully incorporated, wait, let's get some crushed black pepper. As you notice, we didn't put any salt because the soy sauce is already salty. And about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. There you go. We'll mix it again. So now it can marinate really good for at least 30 minutes. It's gonna be so good. Yes. Now we add about a spoon of cornstarch. So let it incorporate all together. It's also gonna help thicken the sauce when we start cooking it, so it's gonna be so good and it's gonna keep the beef strips a lot more juicy. Yes. That's good now. Now this can be left here for like 30 minutes, cover it up. Yep. Now then we can start here. Let's get the wok ready. Heat up the pan. Some regular cooking oil. So as the beef sits there for 30 minutes, we're gonna start with this. It's all ready. Yep, once it's hot, we can start with the onions. Oh yeah. We don't have to fry this like completely, you have to put the garlic right after. Once this starts to, settle in, it's gonna be time for the garlic. This way, they'll cook all together quite good and better. Some fry the onions too long, but that's not that shouldn't be done because it just incorporates the flavors less. There you go, about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. So now we're total 4 cloves. The other 2 is on the beef. The recipe will be in the description, don't worry. Right, now we get the beef there. Stir fry this to goodness. Yeah, mix it well. You can add sesame seeds if you want, it'll help, but we'll try to make this a little simpler so that everyone else could actually easily do this at home. Yep, it'll be so good. Yes, let it settle in good like that. Alright. We cover it for like about 2 minutes. Wait, my OCD self is trying to fix the cover so it's straight. There you go. Alright. Okay, now 2 minutes later, let me sit further. It's almost getting there because the beef cooks really fast. We don't want this overcooked. We don't want to lose the flavors. So let me sit further. Looking good. Oh, it smells good now. Yeah. Make sure everything is settled good like this. Now we start with the carrots because the carrots take a while to cook. It's like the hardest one, and the potatoes. The string beans or the Baguio beans, they cook really fast, so we'll put that later. So make sure this cooks in good with the beef, potatoes, and carrots. Yes, you can cut the potatoes a little thinner if you'd like. We just want it like this in chunks, so it's pretty good. Alright, there you go. Yes. Now we let it cook like this good. Get some red, half of the red and green bell pepper. We're gonna put it there so that it infuses the flavor with the beef. Then 2 minutes later, it's all boiling now. And then the second half of the bell pepper we're gonna put later as garnish to maintain good flavor. So we do half and half. Half first now and the other half later. Oh yes, getting the juices out now. The sauce is starting to look really good, right? Yes, we let the potatoes and carrots cook further. And since it has a bit of bell pepper, it's gonna infuse the flavor really good. Here, 2 minutes later, yep, now we add about half a cup of water just to let the sauce mix in well. Sorry about the neighbor's dog. I don't know why they keep making this. They always just cage them and it's not fair for the dogs, but hey, we can't really go there and tell them not to do that. They're. Yes, now mix this good. Yes, now it needs a little boil a bit more. Another half a cup of water. So now it's total 1 cup of water. Is to get the potatoes and carrots to cook really good. Because it's still hard. Yeah, it's still hard. So we let that boil a bit more for another 2 minutes. Now it's getting good. Now I put the green beans or the Baguio beans. Because this cooks really fast, so it's okay. What we do here is we make sure it's all covering the top side. This way, it's cooking off from the steam of the beef strips and the sauce. It's gonna be so good. Yeah, so it's, it holds its own flavor. Now 2 minutes later, mix it again. This is really easy, as you notice. The intervals are every 2 minutes, so you cannot go wrong with that. Okay, the potatoes are softening up a bit. Alright, it's getting good. Now you can put the rest of the bell peppers just on top. Let it cook in steam. Yep. And the green chilies. Oh, this is gonna be so good, right? Yes, we let it cook in steam and some crushed black pepper. We let the steam cook will rest like the green chilies and the red bell peppers and green bell peppers, of course. We just use the mix of it. Now we start mixing it again. Oh, it's looking so good. The colors are just beautiful. I mean, you can use all just green bell peppers or red. We decided to use red and green. This way, the presentation looks really nice, right? Yep, this is about done. Oh, look at that. Let me unclip the phone and show you guys. Oh, wish you guys could smell this. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So good, right? Beef strips and oyster sauce. Oh, yeah. Serve it up on the table now. There's my fried rice earlier. You can also click here for the other good stuff. But oh, look at this sauce. Oh yeah, it's so thick and so good. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so fun. It's good for lunch or dinner. You guys gotta try this. The family's gonna love it. Yeah, and thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here, alright?